Okay ji, let's start the lab of power factor calculation. But previously we had done this with the help of 3 voltmeter method and 3 ammeter method. Now we are moving towards again the measurement of power factor, but with ammeter, voltmeter and wattmeter, right? And all of these three elements are in this set, जिसमें PT is basically your power transformer, and इसमें आपका इट इज़ यूज सिमिलरली जिस तरह आप वोल्ट मीटर यूज़ करते हैं, राइट. एंड CT जो है आपका करंट ट्रांसफार्मर, इट इज़ फंक्शनिंग इन द सिमिलर वे जिस तरह आप यूज़ करते हैं अपना एमीटर, राइट. So the connection here, now I'm using the reds for your live connection and blue I have tried to make it simpler for you, right. अच्छा, two types of loads यहाँ पे हम यूज़ करेंगे. One is your inductive load, ठीक है, and the other set would be of your totally resistive load, ठीक है. तो accordingly आपका power factor change होगा. Now my connection is from main supply of 220 volts and here is my जो आपकी वोल्टेज कंट्रोल AC वोल्टेज कंट्रोल के लिए फर्स्ट डिवाइस मैंने यूज़ किया है. इट इज़ बेसिकली स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर. AC इसको मिल रहा है 220 एंड यू कैन स्टेप इट डाउन टू एनी सेट ऑफ वोल्टेजेस विच आर रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 0 to 250. बट येस आप इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंगली टू अ लोअर वैल्यू. फॉर एग्जांपल 75 volts, 100 volt, 125 volts, right. So it is input side ko we are giving, this is your input side and input side has been given the voltage of 220 volts. Output side, if you can notice, its live side is connected with your CT, again it's emitter, so it's connected in series, right. So this is your series connection and the other side is going towards the live of your motor. Now this is your neutral side and I've taken my neutral side and connected it back with my output side of AC power supply, right. Acha. So how I'm going to connect my PT, which is a power transformer, or in other words we are using it to calculate the voltage and watts etc of my load, okay. So I'm connecting it in parallel. This is going with, let's use the same color pattern to avoid the confusions, right. So blue is going with my neutral side and I am connecting my red with live, right. So it's a parallel combination and CT was connected in series. Now let's start applying the voltage up to, let's say, 150. अच्छा, now my motor जो है actually it requires us it's a starting winding, आपको initial torque देना होता है to start it up. So I am giving it with the help of my hand. Now the motor had been started. You can know the power factor presently because it's an inductive load. तो आपका power factor range कर रहा था 0.29, ठीक है. This is the present frequency of 50 hertz. Your current is 0.681 ampere, voltage is 155.9 volts and accordingly जो आपकी watts हैं it's taking 30.2 watts of power, ठीक है. accordingly ये set of equipment आपको VAR component भी दिखाता है which is your totally inductive power which was it's 102 approximately wars, ठीक है. So अगर आप watt meter connection करेंगे so that would be displayed in with the help of your multisim, but presently the set of equipment which we are using in our lab वो मैंने आपको यहाँ पे दिखा दी है. I am using completely inductive load, ठीक है. या आपका अगर in case you are using an inductive load तो main जो आपका change आता है it's on your power factor and this is the drop in your power factor which is visible in your readings, right. 0.28. now I'm changing this inductive load with a totally resistive load. Here is my resistive load and all I'm going to do is just connect these two here, right? So let's just drop my voltage for now, and I will connect this set here. So I'm just simply connecting again CT in parallel. I've just took these two windings and मैंने यहाँ पे CT को parallel में CT को series में and power transformer को parallel में connect कर दिए. Now let's increase the voltage, and you can observe the flow of current. Now this is my resistive load, right? And ये सारे bulbs आपस में parallel में connected हैं जिस तरह आपके home loads में होता है. And you can see now, because this is a resistive load, so your power factor is 0.99. If I change my load, nothing will happen to my power factor, right? आपका power factor same रहेगा, but आपकी watts जो हैं वो change होंगे accordingly, right? अच्छा, current taken is 0.6991 ampere. Accordingly आपकी voltage 149 है इस वक्त, which is supplied with the help of your AC AC source, right? अच्छा, इसके अलावा you can see the wattage used 103 watts, your power factor is 0.99 and frequency. In addition आपका अगर if you can notice इसमें there is no VAR component, there is no जो आपकी inductive power होती है, it is totally zero, ठीक है, because of this power factor, ठीक है. आपका लोड इंडक्टिव नहीं है तो आपकी कोई भी इंडक्टिव पावर इस केस में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगी. अगर आप इन केस इसको चेंज भी कर लेते हैं, आपकी लोड को आप चेंज कर लेते हैं, आपकी वॉट्स चेंज होंगे बिकॉज आपका लोड इंक्रीज़ हो रहा है, बट आपके पावर फैक्टर सेम रहेगा. सेम फ्रिक्वेंसी, सेम पावर फैक्टर, बट ये करंट एंड वोल्टेज विल बी चेंज. सिमिलरली आपके वॉट्स चेंज हो गए. राइट. सो ये आपकी है लैब नंबर, आई गेस लैब नंबर 5 बनती है, ठीक है. सो रेस्ट ऑफ द डिटेल्स जो आपकी इसकी हैं वो आपकी मल्टी सिम में एक्सप्लेन होंगी.